Hey, let me show you a few tips how you can fix that issue when your Apple Watch battery draining so fast. Of course, you don't have to apply all of those changes, but even if you apply like 50% of the tips that I'm gonna show you, you will get like 5 or 6 additional hours. So first of all, just open Activity application, click on the left upper corner. Now you have to scroll down and select Pause Rings. Go below and select Custom Range. As you can see, we can even pause this for 90 days. So click Set right now. If you have here some apps that you are not using, just remember to remove them, because every time this application is able to connect to the Wi-Fi or mobile data or use GPS, it's gonna basically drain your battery. So make sure that you are gonna uninstall everything that you are really not using. And you can even get rid of some kind of the health features, like if you are not really measuring the blood oxygen level, you don't care about this one, then you can simply get rid of it. Now just open Settings. Right now open Smart Stack, go to the Live Activities and disable them. And we have to actually do the same by going to the Widget Suggestions. There we go. Next, we have to navigate into the General Settings. Over here, search for Background App Refresh and turn it off. Next, in the General Settings, we have to navigate into the AirDrop and also turn it off. And below, we can also find Handoff. Simply turn it off. Now go back and open Website Data and simply select to clear all website data, cookies, and other credentials. Now go to the Wi-Fi options. And if you are not using this right now, just remember to turn it off. Next, we have to go back, go to the Bluetooth and basically do the same. We can turn it on back when we want to synchronize some data with our iPhone, or for example, listening to some music with AirPods. Now go to the display and the brightness settings. Make sure that you lower brightness and also that you have turn on always on. Additionally, you can also get rid of the wake options like wake on the wrist rise, wake on the Chrome app, and it's highly recommended to change wake duration for like 15 seconds. Next, by closing the display and the brightness settings, we have to navigate into the gestures and turn them off. Then we have to go to the accessibility options. Remember to get rid of the voiceover. Then you can also turn off the zoom option. Make sure that you also turn off increase contrast. Next, we are looking for option to reduce motion. There we go. Go over this, click on it. Below we can also find option with chimes, so it's also recommended to turn them off. Every hour you can hear a sound. It's draining your battery. Now when we go back from the accessibility options, it's recommended to open Siri and also turn it off. Turn off option rise to speak, press digital crown. Now we have to open sounds and the haptics settings. Over here, go to the level of the sound and select quieter, then go to the haptics and turn them off. Now we have to scroll down and go for the system sounds and haptics, turn off crown haptics and also system haptics. Now go to the SOS, make sure that you turn off hold side button to perform a 911 call, disable fall detection, crash detection. Now go to the privacy and security, and if you are not using location, you can just simply turn it off. Next, we have to go for the activity application and turn off stand reminders. And you can also turn off all of those things like daily coaching, goal completions, special challenges, activity sharing notifications. Right now we have to open clock application and we have to scroll down. We have to also make sure that we turn off speak time. Below, watch face notifications, and over here make sure that you are gonna turn off everything that you are using, like for example in my case cycle tracking. Next, open the hand washing application and turn off the hand washing timer. Now go to the heart application and turn off cardio fitness notifications. Open mindfulness and turn off start of the day, end of the day, turn off weekly summary. Then scroll to the noise application and make sure that you turn off this sound measurements. Right now open sleep application, scroll all the way down and you have to select this one, don't use watch for sleep. Select confirm. Right now when we go back from the sleep options, we have to scroll down and navigate to the vitals and also turn off notifications. Then go to the workout application and I will highly recommend you to use this one. Your GPS and heart rate readings, but also you can turn on a low power mode during a workout. And right now we have to remember about this one. So if you change your watch face for not animated one, for example, the stock photo that is not moving, or even the black background, so you will also increase battery life. And now on your iPhone, I can also recommend you to open notification settings and manage notifications that you don't want to receive. Let's say if you don't want to receive some maybe messages, you can just simply turn them off. So that's up to your preferences. I know that many of you will say that okay, but now it's like completely useless because we turn off everything. But you know, there's like no any other way to fix that battery draining. You have to actually turn off some features and options to improve battery life. So let me know if it was useful for you, and thanks for watching.